crocodile waters. A journey begins here, tracing the path from responsibly sourced hides to the world's finest. The documentary establishes the responsible origin of Siamese crocodile leather long before any hide ever enters the factory.
The welfare indicators are all well within the Core Process 4.0 standards.
Good. The health scores are consistently high across the group.
Responsible environmental management supports the traceable crocodile leather supply network. Our Core Process 4.0 ensures precise delivery, minimizing stress, and maximizing nutritional uptake for the animals.
Very good, C. Continue the routine cleaning.
Yes, B. All clear.
Health metrics look good across the board. Check the traceability on this shipment.
Verified. The entire chain is logged on the ledger. Okay, scan complete. Chip ID 404 confirmed.
Verified. Tail markings match the record.
Excellent. Data locked for traceability.
Gently guide the head up, maintaining the calm demeanor.
Head is secure. Scales look excellent, consistent with responsible sourcing.
Security seals engaged on all ports.
Confirmed. Site test documentation is finalized. We are good to go.
Under strict supervision, these luxury livestock trailers are the first step in a highly regulated process supporting the global demand for crocodile leather. The story transitions to legally documented, ethically sourced raw caiman hides, arriving through the factory's established supply network.
Scan the primary crate and cross-reference the digital manifest. The numbers match. We can approve this shipment for processing.
Look at the uniformity of the osteoderms here. Yeah. And the measurement confirms the size. This is a high-yield hide.
Moisture consistency is within tolerance. Scale integrity is perfect. Noted. Approved for the next stage.
The crocodile leather tanning stage begins. Drum rotation looks consistent. Check the timers on batch 7.
All parameters are within tolerance.
The reading is 12.5. Good. Make a note and check the next section.
Check the viscosity reading on Sector 4, it's fluctuating.
Rerouting the mix. It's stabilizing now.
The spectral data under D65 is spot on. See the consistency right here?
Absolutely, it matches the target reference. We can approve this batch.
The alignment here is perfect. How is the color saturation on this side? Rich mahogany, no fading. It meets the premium standard.
Check the umbilical cluster on the emerald. The alignment is superb.
It is. We can yield a full front cut, grade A.
If we drape it here, the pattern matches the digital rendering exactly. Yeah.
That looks stunning. We'll use this hide for the accessories.
I think the cognac works best with this handbag model.
I agree. Let's apply that texture.
And the emerald for the shoes, definitely.
Yeah.
Note the consistency on this side panel.
Confirmed. The dye lot matches perfectly.
Check the manifest against the pallet count. Everything matches, Jefe. Ready for seal. Okay, load the Mexico shipment first.
Look at the detail on the stitching here. It's flawless.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. I particularly love the deep blue color of these shoes.
Yeah.
And
Look at the quality of this one. The scales are beautiful indeed, and the stitching is absolutely perfect.
the craftsmanship on this emerald one is extraordinary.
Look at the gold clasp detail. It's flawless.